Here are the Southern Ford dealers' sounds of the game.
Josh Scobie will kick it off. We are underway from Jacksonville. Hasselbeck takes the handoff. Rush is coming. And Hasselbeck is sacked. Matt Roth. The handoff. Jones through. It's gone. Touchdown, Jacksonville. On first down. Look out. Hasselbeck is sacked. Over the middle. It's caught by Lewis. And Mercedes Lewis, the Pro Bowler, to the 45-yard line. 3rd and 10. McCown underneath. Can Kareem get it? Oh, what an effort! From 48 yards away, right down the middle. Huge play here for Jacksonville. McCown steps up. He throws. It's caught. Matt Turk able to get it off. It'll take a bounce. A Jacksonville roll. And down inside the 5. 23 seconds to play. Jacksonville up by 2. Pump. Hasselbeck. Deep ball. Downfield. It's picked off. It's over. Dwight Lowry with the interception.
This is Jaguars All Access.